Rob the jewelry hobby game. So rob the jewelry by crossing a hobby. I don't know how difficult the hobby will be. And what? Dude. What? I couldn't even climb on that thing. Oh my god. Yes, it's free. Shoot. Oh, dude, that thing is little hard. Little, not so hard. Because I almost crossed it. Only thing is that suddenly my fall. Yeah. No, I don't have a rope. No problem. So, don't go speed. So guys, while doing hobby, never go speed or you will die. That also in Tower of Hell mainly. Oh shoot, oh my god. Because you can't rest. Hey, there are no respawn points in this game. Dude, if there are no respawn points in this game, you have to be really slow while. Not really means slow, from which you can easily do. Slow and steady wins the race. Yeah, that's the. This quote is perfect for this. Oh my god, when did she came here? She was there and she came here. I don't know. Leave it. So guys, oh shoot. They don't push me. Usually you can't push, but I kind of felt like she pushed me. Climbing is the main difficultest part. If you can climb the door, then everything is not so easy. But it's easy, but not so easy. If I wish that door was a respawn point. If we touch on it, we respawn there. If we die. But if we die only, we respawn, no? Yeah. The thing is that we are falling right now. The sub. Did I say it right now? I was trying to say it. The hell? Dude, why are you stuck here? Once you come, yeah, just jump over there. This thing is only the difficult. Oh! Shoot! What the hell is that? Dude, guys, like anything. Be fast. We all just fell down, right? God, we both, I and that girl is only stuck here. Then everybody went. Nobody knew each other. Okay, wait a minute. Dumb hell. Sorry guys for this disconnection, but this idiotic internet is the worst, guys. Whew. By mega this. Okay. I hope when we are really far to reach the end, I hope we don't get disconnected. We should not get disconnected. If you guys don't want to get disconnected, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification, and like the video, and comment down below what game should you play. Not really, I don't know if you will get disconnected after that, but please do that. What? Oh my god, I was about to. What happened right now? Oh, thank God. God help me right now. But this is more longer and more left right. Means I'm going left right a lot in this. Yeah, guys, we did at last. Now what? Respawn point, cool. The bird. Ew, is that bird? Dude. Why is that bird danger? Ras, can you tell me that? Oh my god. Yeah, boy. Checkpoint. Okay, now as we are getting checkpoints, it's not that difficult. Cool. Leaderboard. I will hold the rope. Hey, these are our robber friends. What is your name? My name is Sima. Oh my god, I thought, what happened right now? The starting only. How did I move? Because of that door. I guess. No. I don't want any super speed, okay? What? Why am I moving? What is this? I think under this is like means a slider which makes you. What, dude? Are you kidding me? Dude, we can't even go under that. This is the difficultest part, I guess. What? This time I stepped on it. After this super coil thing came, nothing good girl. Something happened. Oh my god. Oh yeah, boy. Subscribe. What was that sound? Do, guys? Subscribe to Sima Gamers, or I'll come to your house and steal all your jewelry. I think it's a person in this game. Guys, subscribe to Sima Gamers, or as you guys know, what this the person in the person in the game told. Yeah, subscribe, guys. Yeah, subscribe, and also turn on that bell notification to be the first to see the videos, and also like the videos and comment down below what I should do in the next video. So guys, as this evil person in this as the evil person in the game told to subscribe, turn on the bell notification, and like the video and comment down below what video should I make next. Do that or your jewelry will be stolen by this guy. Oh my god, what is happened? Oh no, I think the game glitched my jump button. But this is useful only. Nice, guys. Do it. Yeah, open. Get open. I can't do. What is this? Oh, underground. Is this an underground museum? Oh no, this glitch. Woo! Why is the glitch there? Why is the glitch? Why is the jump button glitch is there? No. I don't even have a single Robux, sir. You promised. Dude, are you kidding me? If you're kidding me, please stop it. Stop it! Go and get some help. What, dude? I just reset character and see. Since I'm already dying. Yeah, boy. Yeah, the trick worked. While we are dead only, we killed ourselves. While we are already dead and not even a ghost. Dead. We are a dead body and we killed ourselves. How we killed ourselves, I don't know. Lava. Hey, when did you even dig? I didn't even saw you dig. And why did you dig so much? Not getting. But this is a nice plan for robbing jewelry shop. If robbers play this game, oh my god, all the jewelry store will be stolen. Dude, I tried to wait. Hold up. Can't we jump from there, dude? I was trying to go see there. Dude, are you kidding me? Arya! Tie up. Just miss. This guy you! Can you stop it? I don't want to buy anything because you want Robux. You can't force the players to buy Robux. Even if I had Robux, I would have not bought. Because for two reasons. It would be a waste of money, and also this is a YouTube video. We can't do cheating in it. I think I will play next video, Cruise Story. And the next video of that, lol. I will play some another hobby. And the next video of that, no, I will not play hobby. The next video of that, I will make a snowman in Adopt Me, just like the panda. Oh my god! Oh, just miss. This thing is so small. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You suck! Sorry guys for the disconnection. This internet is the worst thing in the whole world. I wish there was a thing called as AirNet. Wherever there is the presence of air, internet network will be there. Yeah. So guys, I skipped a little bit and I resumed because our friend Eluin has come, means Gab, and subscribe to his channel Gab Gaming. You can find his comment in one of my video. There you can click on his profile photo and it will take you to his channel and subscribe there. So guys, we came back till here at the least. Oh, good. Oh shit! What? Why did you touch the water? You don't know that the water is dangerous? Huh? I think this guy is a noob. He's a character. Oh my god, this place, guys. Oh. And subscribe to Gap Gaming. You can find it in one of the comments of my video. Just click on the profile and it will take you to his channel and subscribe there. We both put videos. Yep. Oh. What happened? Lol, guys. Oh. It was. Press the jump button. What? Why didn't it jump? I don't know. Leave it. This hobby is not. This one hobby. Oh my god. Dude. Why is this so hard? And before I did it first try only, now I'm doing 1,000 tries to complete it. Guys, done. Now the easy. Don't need to go out of control. Until that, I mean. Oh, dude! I thought I could jump there and skip jump here, but they made it some kind of invisible wall. Nice. Oh, sometimes you can get touch the people in this. Nobby games it should be like you can't touch the people only. Otherwise they will push other and the other side will push. This one is a little easy, but it's also a little hard. So it's like medium. Oh my god. Wow. What to do next? I think we have to put a bomb here. Or you have to go fit through here. I know, guys. What is this? So guys, I found a way. It is actually here, from there to here. Okay, guys. So, hey, if you're robots, we could have put bomb, no? What? These robots will have a lot of bombs now. So now put the bomb. Before it was water, now it is lava. Is this changing? Water to lava, lava to water, lava to water. Not. Oh, I am so dumb. I took the wrong side. I took the wrong side. I took the wrong side. The hell. Heck. This video might get too long. I don't know. Still, just let's go. What, dude? Yeah, boy. Ooh. Nice. But why is my jump has become low? I feel like my jump has become kind of low. Still don't know. Wow. Oh, I just told a rhyme. Magic? What magic is in this game? There is magic. So guys, I think this video is getting too long, but it's not getting. But let it be, na? For today's video, this much only. I'll just cross this stage and go complete the end the video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, Gap Gaming channel, as I told, you can find it in my one of the videos. Comment blah. And subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Turn on that bell notification so that you can't miss any videos of mine. And comment down below what game should I play in next. So bye bye guys.